Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos look like an old footage by using the CapCut effect. So here I have this footage right here. You can see that the footage looks normal, not an old footage. But here I'm going to show you how you can make it looks like it. So first, just go to effect, click on the video effect, and find this TV category. And in here you'll see there are lots of effects that you can use. For example, I'm going to make the clip like it comes from a DVD. So just click on DVD effect here, so it will turn like this. Looks like an old footage, or this 1998 filter, or let's try the last one, this old TV filter. You can see now my video looks like an old footage in just one click. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on it. Thanks. Bye.